Good morning, grade 3. Our lesson for today is about identifying and using the correct order of adjectives. Let us study the following sentences. Number 1. The principal provided 3 buses for the campers. Number 2. The principal provided 3 big buses for the campers. And number 3, the principal provided 3 big blue buses for the campers. Another example. Number 1. Mario gave me several mangoes. Number 2. Mario gave me several sweet mangoes. Number 3. Mario gave me several sweet yellow mangoes. Class, what do you notice about the order of adjectives in the above groups of sentences? The sample sentences above show how 2 or more must be placed before the noun they describe. When 2 or more adjectives put together in a sentence and arranged in a certain order, they are called order of adjectives in a series. Now, what kind of adjectives are 3 and several? How about the adjectives blue, sweet, and yellow? Two or more adjectives used to describe a noun in a sentence follow the royal order of adjectives. Number 1. Limiting adjective comes first in the sequence. Example: the firefighter wore a thick red coat. Number 2. The descriptive adjectives that describes the kind of a noun comes after the limiting adjective. Example: the florist delivered a dozen large yellow roses. Now, let us have some practice. Fill in the row with the appropriate adjectives that can describe the nouns in the last column. You will submit it to me in our next class. Thank you very much, grade 3, for listening. God bless and see you again.